guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's me, Ella, and I'm with Samantha.
Hi-all.
So today we're acting like we have just ended up at this random home, but we've found a key on the ground. And by the way, we are role playing, so I hope you enjoy today's video. So let's get started in a second. So let's get starting. Oh, where are we? Oh,
Sis, there's a key on the ground over here. Look.
it's here.
There. There's something right here.
Whoa.
Let's see if it works in the house. Let's go. Let's go.
Hold on.
What? On. You might be able to break an entry into this house.
Whoa.
This house looks empty.
I know.
Don't think anyone lives here. Let's go. Come on, see if it works.
Okay, I'll try.
It worked, sis.
Oh,
my
wow.
God. Let's explore.
Oh my god, this is such a cute dining table. What is this? Oh my god. There's a laundry room.
So, oh my god. Wait, sis, what's this? What's this? Oh, sis, it has a car. You know that key I found? Let's see if it works in the car. It works, sis. It works in the car.
Whoa! For some reason, there's an old TV, an Xbox, and 2 couches. And it looks like someone's been really busy here. Oh, there's an outdoor area. Don't go out there
Let's see
yet.
that later.
Let's have a look here.
Oh,
Bathroom, cute.
Okay.
So guys, I'm gonna be right back. So I'm back. So let's carry on.
Okay.
This is a really cute kitchen.
I know. I literally will cook her every day. Okay. Oh my god.
That's the outdoor. Oh my god, this is such a cute living room.
So go downstairs or upstairs first. Wait, what's this? Ooh, a little desk area.
Oh, need to do my work. Let's go upstairs first. I think
Okay,
I
sis.
think
Let's see what rooms there are. Okay, let's go. Oh,
don't-
let's just to the left.
this way. Oh, there's a single bedroom.
Oh my god, this would be perfect for you.
No, for you.
Ew, no. Okay, this one would be perfect for me.
I can't even. Yep, you can have this room.
Yay! Unless there's a room that I really like.
No, you can have that room.
Unless there's a
What's
room
in here?
Let's see that.
A bathroom. Cute bathroom.
Ooh. Oh my god. This is
Oh,
perfect
little
for me.
baby. What's in there? Let's have a look. What's...
Oh, look, what's it?
Don't go in front of me because I know what room
Oh,
I.
there's a spirit in the house. Sis.
Ah! Someone also got the key. This is totally my room. Maybe.
Oh my god, yeah.
Yes. Okay, carry on. Going. I'm the older one here, so I get the biggest room.
I know, that's horrible. Okay, let me go into my room. Wait, let's go downstairs.
Wait, yeah. So far, I like it so far. Don't go without me.
Okay, so let's see what this room is first. Oh my god, this is cute.
Oh, bathroom again? 3 bathrooms?
This is
A
cute.
couch area.
Wait, sis, these doors are locked. None of the keys work, I think. Okay, let's see in that room.
Let me go
Oh, there's
first.
another bedroom.
Let's have a look. Oh my god, I want this room. Maybe. I don't know. Yes, I'm having this room.
Okay, can we see the outside?
Okay, wait. Let's go up a bit so we can.
Just wait for me.
Oh my god, this little balcony!
Oh, this is so nice. Oh my god, sis.
What's this? Oh, here, look.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, 2
Oh my
decks.
god, sis, I shouldn't go in there.
Why?
I'm too small. Look. This is perfect for me, this area.
It doesn't work. What is this house? I'm so puzzled.
I love it. Let me go to my room now because I don't want to be near.
Wait, should I be like roommates like with you? Or
No,
do you want me to live downstairs?
you can live downstairs.
No.
Yeah, but you're not living in my room.
This is my room.
Yes, there is your room.
My room.
My room. Can we play hide and seek, sis?
Sure.
Okay, I'm counting first. I'm counting first.
Want to roleplay?
What does she mean?
No. No, sorry.
So we have to start outside now.
Hold on. By the way, you're on YouTube. Bye.
Okay, sis, I'm counting outside. Count to 20.
Oh, you're counting outside?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Hold on. Let's
4,
go downstairs, maybe.
5,
I don't know.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
What, you going
13,
up?
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Coming.
No, you said 30.
Yeah.
You said 30, remember?
I said 20.
You said 30.
I didn't. I said 20.
You said 30.
I said 20.
I had it on camera.
Yeah, I know. I said 20. Okay, not downstairs. Okay. Not downstairs.
By the way, I know where you was counting because I went past you. But I ran away.
You know? Found it.
No, you have to tag me, remember?
Tag.
No, you
Are
didn't.
you?
No, you
Yes,
didn't.
I did.
No,
Tag.
you did. No, you didn't.
Tag.
And plus,
I
I did.
did.
And plus, I didn't have enough time anyway because you said 30, so I know.
I said 20.
No, you said I got it on camera. It said 30.
Okay, watch it back then.
I will.
Okay, sis, go count outside. Downstairs outside.
No.
Ah! Stranger! More strangers!
That girl left. Oh, boo. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Just be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and she's gonna count. So
No, you're gonna
no,
count.
I'm gonna count.
20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Okay, go find me.
20. By the way, from now on, you can't tag them. So you can't tag them. If you just find me, then that's it. I'm counting straight away.
Okay.
Give me a clue. Are you hiding inside or outside?
You didn't give me that clue, so no.
Yeah, but I'll give you it next round.
You're gonna have to give it to me first. Not giving you the clue because you can.
Yeah, you can actually. You can give each other's clues.
I know, but after this round, maybe.
So far, I can't see you outside. So you're not in. So you're not outside, right?
No.
Oh my god! I just found that boy.
Oh my god! I just found that boy.
Did you? Oh, for God's sake! Can you stop getting trapped? My character literally keeps getting trapped. It's like disgraceful. It's rude. Okay, so far you're not in anywhere that I found.
I should probably stop talking because you can find me by noise. Wait, never mind. Thought you found me.
You're upstairs. It'll be so funny if you're in the baby room.
Imagine if I was.
But you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not. I just
Yeah, I am.
Oh my god, that boy keeps giving me a fright. I think he wants to play hide and seek. Hell no! Oh, no, you're not in your closet. I swear to God. Where are you? Give me a clue.
No.
I'll give you a clue.
No, I'm giving you a clue after me.
No.
After you give me a clue.
Give me a clue.
I'm upstairs.
Oh, for God's sake, have I gone past you?
Pardon?
Have I gone past you?
Yeah. I literally died when I saw you. Oh my god.
So you're not in my room?
No.
You're not in the baby room? Nope, you're not in the. You're not in the baby room. Are you? Nope. Oh my god, this is gonna be so funny if I don't see you again.
I will literally cry.
That's not you. That's the tap. So you're not in your room, are you? Oh, for God's sake, I saw you. You were up there. You literally up there.
I was up there the whole time. That's why I went on. That's why I went like this. That's why I went like that. So they were like, it's like, oh my god.
Okay, this one you are allowed to give hints.
Yeah.
From now on, you can give hints.
Okay, I am outside.
We have one more go each because I'm almost 13 minutes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, I'm not here, I can't.
20? You're not on 20 already.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm in a rubbish place.
Imagine if you're in the shower or something. Wait, are you in the shower?
No. I just got flung around. Oh my god, that girl! That girl just gave me a threat.
A threat? What's that?
She just literally just barged in front.
I need to find that girl.
What girl?
The girl that you said just barged in.
What, the one that just gave me a threat?
Yeah. So where are you, Sophie? Know who you're. Wait, found it.
But I was actually in quite a good space to move.
Where were you?
Can't say. I might have this. No, because I might have this for next time. Okay. Wait, we have to end.
Oh, okay, guys.
Bye, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the weird role play. Okay. Bye, guys.